Now I'm out here looking like revenge, feeling like
lovelies. Yes, I know it's been a while, but Happy New Year, guys. And New Year means new wigs. And I'm coming to you all with this nice wig that I have purchased from Sensational. I'll let y'all take a look at that. Coming in the new year with a long wig. So today I'm coming to you all with Sensational's Instant Fashion Wig Couture Christie. Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. I'm coming to you all with this wig. And I know I've said that probably 8 times already. But Christie, she's a nice get up and go wig. I'm going to say she's about 26 inches. And I have her in the color DKBLUE, which would be dark blue. I'm not sure if it's coming up in the camera. So I'm going to have a little video up there while I was in the car today to show you all, you know, the true color of this wig. Now, let's talk about Christie. Christie, as far as color, I love the color. I felt like when I was putting her on this morning, I couldn't really see the blue as much while I was in the bathroom. But the second I went outside in the natural light, like the blue was like, boom, it was popping. You could see that blue. And I was like, holy crap. This blue is intense, but it's not like, ooh, she got blue hair or whatever. I love the color. I think the color is very pretty. I've been trying some, you know, different colors just to see how I like it. And right now, I feel like blue is one of my more comfortable out-of-the-box type colors for now. Now, let's talk about tangling and shedding, because that's probably why I'm tripping on my words, because I'm trying to get to that real quick. The shedding, I have gotten some shedding. I am getting shedding. Unfortunately, this beautiful wig, you know, sheds. And as far as tangling, Lord Jesus, y'all, the tangling is uncontrollable. This is the first time, besides the initial me taking out of the, you know, the box and looking at it, this is my first time actually wearing it all day. And when I tell y'all, this wig tangled from the second I put it on until the second I press record on this this phone, it has been tangling. Like, it's tangling. Like, if you don't have a paddle brush with you throughout the day, your hair is gonna look like a tangled mess. Like, it tangles. Now, this is not a lace front wig. This is not a lace part wig. It's not even a lace wig. It's just an instant wig. It's, you know, old school wig. That's all it is. This part is fake. There's no like lace or anything with it. I did cut like some little baby hairs, you know, to make it a little more natural. I didn't pluck the part or anything, and I didn't put concealer on it because you all know how I feel about putting concealer on the outside. Like, that bothers me to death. And I can put it on the inside, so I mean, I don't know what else to do. Now, I mean, I know what else to do, but like, it's just, you know, the part is just not doing it for me. It's just not. So I'm probably going to have to like pluck some hairs and, you know, really try to hide the concealer in there. Now, as far as the construction goes, there's one comb in the front, one comb in the back, and adjustable straps. Now, I did have to cut some lace when I opened it, but it was like the smallest amount of lace in the front. And I mean, when I tell you it is a small amount, it's like this little. Like, it's just, it's small. Now, I'm not knocking this wig because I knew what kind of wig it was when I got it. I knew it was going to be one of those get up and go type of wigs. It's just a wig with a little bit of lace, and it's an instant wig. So it's like an instant, you know, instant quick weave, as you can say. Now, this is safe up to 350 degrees. What else am I missing? Now, it has a lot of those, you know, not funky colors, but, you know, those colors that, you know, people are starting to wear more and more, like, you know, pearl and mint and lavender and pink. Now, I do want to try a pink wig. I feel like pink will look really good on me. And plus, pink is my favorite color, so, you know, like all that. Like I said, this is about 26 inches. I have her in dark blue. But as far as Christie goes, yeah, if you can, you know, get past the tangling and the shedding, this is a nice wig. I feel like this wig would be good like for a one night thing, like, or not even a one night, because that's too long. Like for a couple of hours. Let's say if you have to go to a dinner party and it's like 3 hours long. I think that would be a really good time to wear this wig because it just tangles so much and I can't get past the tangling. Like, I really do like this wig. I think it's a beautiful wig. But I just can't get past the tangling. Now the texture is like a silky yaki. Excuse me. A silky yaki. So it's more like a relaxed, you know, silky type texture. But Christie, I like it, but you know, y'all gotta work on this tangling. The tangling is uncontrollable. That's, y'all, I wish I could have recorded myself trying to brush the hair before the video started because I was like, oh my god. But anyway, lovelies, I have missed you all, and I promise I'm not going to take that long of a break anymore. I feel like I was gone for a little bit. Yeah, this is Christie, and I hope you all like, subscribe, share, all that wonderful stuff, and I will see all of you beautiful, wonderful lovelies next time.
Yeah, girl child,